guys. Thought I'd pop on. I'm getting ready to do my routine tonight. I'm not going to do that on here. It is a work night, so I usually go to bed early. But I was talking to somebody today, and we were talking about charcoal mask. And I wanted to show it to you, but I wanted to let you know it's not the peel-off mask. Peel-off mask really isn't very good for aging skin because it's pulling against your skin, and gravity is doing enough pulling, right? So we're like, I'm 60, I'm trying to keep my skin firmer and trying to lift it. So no peel-off mask for me. But charcoal is amazing. What I'm going to be putting on is this charcoal. It's activated charcoal. What does it do? It lifts like pollutants. It lifts any type of debris. It acts like a magnet. And if you've got blackheads, if like me, I work in heat, work with products, so that product's getting hot, and so you've got pollutants coming in the air, and it's going into your skin. The heat's got your pores open, and you're just catching all of that. And it's why a lot of times when you work in that type of environment, you're going to get redness of your skin, you're going to get breakouts or uneven, like bumpiness, things of that nature. And it's your skin just like silently screaming, saying, hey, I can't take anything more of this. My pores are clogged. So if you work in a restaurant, that might be the case as well. Any type of where you're around pollutants or dirt. So I'm going to get my face just a little bit wet because, well, obviously I'm not by my sink. Okay, so it does not take much of this charcoal. I'll just put a little bit on here. You don't want your skin to really show through, but you don't want it real thick either. I forgot to put my thing on. I'm going to see if I can do this with one hand. So I forgot all about that. I really don't want it in my hair. And I'll probably end up with my hair anyway. I don't have to wash it out. So looks really attractive, doesn't it? Okay. All right. So I'm using my computer as a mirror. So I feel like I'm dyslexic. I might have to get some more of this. If I had my face a little bit wetter too, would have helped, but I'll put a little bit more if I need to. I showed this to the teens, and they thought it was really cool because it's gross looking, and you can actually see things being pulled out of your skin as it dries. Which side? Right here. Which I think is really cool. One place you usually notice is around your nose and your chin. Okay, I didn't do great because I'm trying to do it in the mirror. It's not so easy. So I'm gonna let that dry. Normally I'll let it dry 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it out. I'm hoping that here in just a little bit, this is where I'm mostly concerned because this is where the heat hits me. And hopefully you'll be able to see that. So I'm going to talk to you today about my nighttime routine. I made a video the other day, and that video was a different type of skincare system. It was time-wise, and it's age minimizing 3D system. It's great, especially if you're under, like 40 or under. It's really great. But now, since I've got 60-year-old skin, I'm more worried about lifting, volume, of course, wrinkles, and that nature. So I use the Cadillac of the systems, of course, but first thing I do is I use this cleanser. I really love this cleanser and because it's got toner in it, it's exfoliant. And I always say how important having an exfoliant is because your skin turnover is so slow and you want to get all that dead, nasty skin off. Just think of it like oatmeal sitting on top of your skin. Ugh, So before I do my mask, I always cleanse my skin. So after I get that cleansed, my next thing that I always do is the serum. And this is advanced lifting. So it starts to lift up your skin, you know, on your neck and such. I love the way you turn it, even here, turn it, and then it pumps out just enough. So I love that. And I put that all over my skin, making sure I go up instead of down, because I don't want to drag that skin down. But the really cool thing about that is I forgot to tell you I use this for the cleanser. I use a massager with that serum, so that serum really goes through. Now remember, I've exfoliated, so now the serum can get in. Well, this massager massages it in. It also takes the lymph nodes. You know, you have lymph nodes all over your body. We also have it in your face too. So I just do that. And actually, if you have sinus trouble and you go like through here, you can actually feel your sinuses get low relief that way. But I do that with my serum because I want to get the bang for my buck on this serum. So I do that next. And then at night, this is so duper cool, super duper duper duper. And this is the night cream. Now it's full of retinol, of course, all kinds of nice peptides. They've got, let's see, what is the name of that stuff? Code. Let me see if I can find it. Hang on here, just a sec. You'll be able to see me, but I won't be able to see you. Well, it has, what it has is, what I wanted to let you know is that it's got plant stem cells, and it's from a certain type that's been around forever. I mean, like, what I was reading was like even in the prehistoric times, it's a Chinese type of herb. They took the stem cells from it and use it. And what this particular plant base does is it helps with your blood circulation. They've been investigating it on a way to heal veins. It's just basically makes your skin so much healthier, brings that blood flow. And you know, that's why we talked about this bringing blood flow, because your body needs oxygen. So anyway, the retinol, as soon as retinol air touches it, it starts losing its efficacy. I mean, it starts going not as strong. And the other, another cream I had, you opened it and there it was. Well, this looks like, see this? Doesn't that look odd? But you press down on here and just the right amount comes out right here. So air does not get to it. So you can just use it. All this is safe. It's going to last you a few months. And this goes on at night, because when you're asleep, that's when everything is resting and repairing itself. Very important. If you skip any type of skincare, don't skip at night. You age 7 days every night, you forget. So you want to do, especially at night, get your skin ready to get better. And in this set, they also have the eye cream. I think that's awesome because most sets don't come with the eye cream. It's like an add-on, but not with Mary Kay. Mary Kay has the eye cream in with your kit. And I'm trying to see, I haven't got my new contacts yet. It's called Volume Firm Eye Renewal Cream. The cool thing about it is that you don't have to have an extra type of cream for your outside and extra underneath. You're going to hear a bunch of dinging. I got stuff going on. Isn't this cool? It's so cool against your skin, like temperature cool. And you just press this and it comes out the cream, and you can go around your eye bone and underneath your skin. It's good for puffiness because, as you see, I battle this through here. And some of it is allergies for sure. But it does help, and it helps for black circles under your eyes. It does everything. It's in one thing. But I love this. I love this. I love this. I can think of so many uses for that, especially like, you know, I wanted to put a little bit of wrinkle cream and use it that way. Now, one thing that does not come with the kit that I use, and it is a Volufill Deep Wrinkle Filler. And I've been using it on my forehead. You see my wrinkles here, but I already see a difference because they were a lot deeper. And I've not been using it that long. So yay, that's what I do. That's what I use. And the last thing is the lash serum, the brow and lash serum. Now, my brows right now is not very thick because I'm getting microblading, so I took them down and on the 5th, I go for my last one to make it the way I want it. So I purposely took my eyebrows down. But you use it on your eyelashes. Yeah, some of the eyelash serums are like $150. This is $38, and it'll last so long. Let me say that again. $38 versus $150, or versus eye extensions, which is $150 and more, and then you have to keep filling them back in, redoing. $38. Amazing. These just fly off. These fly off my shelves. So I'll put some links in there. Let's take a look. I don't know if you can tell. See how this is lighter through here? You can see where it's hard to see in there. I know it looks so attractive right up close, don't I? Look awful. So I'm going to take this off and finish with the rest of my routine. This weekend I'm going to try to do a look. I'm going to try to do a vampire look, and I just want to experiment with makeup. I think it'd be fun, and nothing else that'll be amusing, because I don't know how well I'm going to do at this, because I want to do it like look at a video and then come back on here and try to see if it's a pass or fail. All right, guys, have a wonderful weekend. It's coming up quick, and get some wonderful beauty sleep tonight. I will put links on here. Check out my page. I also have a poll that's supposed to show up on here. I'm using my computer, so I don't see like I do on my phone who's on and who's not. So answer that if you would, and we will talk later. Also, if you got any questions, you know I'm always here. Love you. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Bye.